I am one of the competitors here. I got about 4 years experience in blacksmithing and hoping to have some fun.
My name is Peter Hammonds. I'm in the forging competition April 22, 2024 at the James Black Festival.
Okay guys, what we're going to do is we're going to try to forge a karambit out of just a regular boxing wrench, and their goal is whomever can forge their blade and get it to a knife and carve a jack-o'-lantern face into the watermelon first is the winner.
All right.
So, you know, they're going to have to cut off the end to where they can get a blade out of it, and then the eyelet down here, or the box end of the wrench, will be the finger hole for the karambit. It needs some work because it's kind of out of alignment and crooked, so he'll have to straighten that some. And
Right here.
yeah, to get that bend out that direction, and then maybe put a bend in it to the side, off to the side to make it more comfortable for the hands. And then he's going to forge the blade, and
It doesn't need to be a curved blade.
no,
It can be
straight for this goal.